Hi, I'm Mike Hale, and this video will introduce you to Vanward, my submission for CoinDesk Web3athon. Many organizations offer a path to receiving a professional or technical certification by meeting a predefined set of requirements. A professional can use the certification as a way to display their skills or knowledge in a particular area. The problem is that it is time-consuming to search across hundreds of different databases to check someone's certification, and it can be difficult to verify if the certification you're being presented is actually valid. Vanward makes this easier by leveraging the power of blockchain technology, a public, permanent, and immutable ledger of data to manage certifications on-chain where they can be quickly verified as authentic. In the US, there are around 44 million people that hold some type of professional certification or license. In IT alone, 87% of professionals hold at least one certification, with 40% pursuing their next certification. A quarter of all U.S. jobs require some form of license or government approval. The demand for professionals with certifications is only growing, and Vanward is here to help meet that need. Vanward does this by providing users a way to create certifications and manage the requirements to earn that credential. A professional can then enroll in that certification, and once they have met all the requirements, they receive their certification. Anyone that needs to verify someone's certification can easily verify that person holds the specified certification. The public, immutable nature of the blockchain eliminates fraudulent certifications. I chose to build Vanward on Solana mostly because of its low transaction fees. Someone should not have to pay $12 or more when gas fees spike just to enroll in a certification. Solana was also chosen because of its large user base, easier onboarding process, and active developer community. At this point, I'm the sole developer of Vanward, but I am looking to bring on a front-end developer and fill designer, biz dev, and other important roles. The version of Vanward built for Web3athon allows a user to create and manage certifications and requirements, and mark requirements as met for an enrollee. The next step is a polished, fully functional front-end app. Vanward will be monetized by the user creating a certification, paying a small fee in Sol, and users enrolling will pay a small fee as well. A future version will allow you to require enrollees to pay you directly, as well as to enroll in your certification at a price you have defined. The next major release will include the management of continuing education requirements as well. For continuing education, you will be able to authorize a third-party education provider who will match their courses with your certification requirements. When a professional completes the course, that provider will mark the course as complete. This will be very flexible and allow you to define modules and credits needed to meet that requirement. Now let me take you on a quick walkthrough of how Vanward works. First, I'm going to add a new certification. I'll enter a title and an ID. The title and ID are just an easy way to keep track of your certifications. The year here is optional, but it will be used when you're entering a certification that can expire. Once I'm ready, I'll just approve the transaction and create the certification. Now I'm taken to a screen where I can add a requirement for the certification. The module is a way for you to name your requirements, and you can set how many credits must be achieved in order to meet this requirement. This comes more into play when there are course providers where a course may only meet part of the credits required for that module, and I can create as many requirements as I want, but for this demo, I'm just going to set one. Now, as a professional, I'm going to enroll in the certification. In the real world, you would have a page dedicated to that certification, but for this demo, I can roll right here from the list of certifications. Now I can view all of the enrollees and see which of the requirements that they've met. Since Phase 1 requires you to manually mark a requirement as complete, you can also call it complete using the Solana program. I'm going to set the requirement complete for this enrollee. Once I approve that transaction, he's complete. And once all requirements are met, the enrollee now holds that certification. Thank you. It was fun building Vanward as part of this hackathon, and I appreciate you taking the time to review it.